Mark with his tractor here, which is a rather nice sight actually. He's loaded it up, ready to take lots of garden rubbish to the dump. Here's Mark, the tractor, tying it up. Right, mounted on tractor, exiting. A really nice sight. I mean the tractor. There he goes. Arrived down at the beach, waiting in a queue now for the van to arrive, and it's getting wet, poor Mark. Filming there, right, the lorry's got parked. There's Mark just manoeuvring, trying to get himself close so he can unloading all the bags. The man's helping, which is very kind, and the other people are there, and there's someone walking along with us. There you are. That's it. And his wheelbarrow, here he comes. The man's very helpful. Okay, so many of those bags are ones that I've actually filled when I've been doing my gardening. So it's quite a big job trying to get rid of all that stuff. Driving off. Empty. Towards the church. Empty. Ready. Returning back into. Yep. Manoeuvring about. I think he's going to put the box down, and he wants to put the tractor back into the little garage, and it actually fits, believe it or not.